Hey everybody, welcome back. So I have some goodies that I picked up from Dollar Tree. I also have, stay tuned for a second video. I normally would just go ahead and do 2 videos in one, but today I'm choosing not to. So after you watch this video, which is my Dollar Tree haul, make sure you stay tuned because I'm going to try to put up a 99-cent store haul right after this one. So, because I picked up some cool stuff from there too. But I'm not going to take too long with this video because, like I said, I have 2 that I want to record real quick. I literally just left the 99-cent store. I stopped at this Dollar Tree, which you guys can't see, but I'm in front of Dollar Tree. I picked up some goodies, and I just want to share them with you. So, with that being said, I'm going to start with this. The decor section had a bunch of new pictures, a bunch of like little different things or whatever. So I took some pictures of the items that I didn't pick up, but I wanted to show you these are some new photo frames, and I really like these. This one says family is everything, and so these would be really nice Christmas gifts. If you have somebody in the family, you can put a family photo right here and give this one, or just keep it for yourself. And then it does have a stand back here, and it also has a hook up here to hang up. So you can do either or. But I thought these would be really nice to give as gifts. So I picked up that one. Family is everything. Our family is blessed. This one is more like a chocolate brown. This one was black. This one is a dark brown. But it says our family is blessed. I like that one. Sorry, because you could see through it. So right there. And then this one right here says the greatest gift is family, and it's in white. And I just think these are super cute, and you can put a 4x6 photo right here in the bottom. Then I saw some canvas photos, and you guys, I must have went crazy. Between 2 things in the Dollar Tree, I went crazy today with these photos and something else that I'm going to get to. But these I couldn't pass. I just couldn't pass them. So there was another one that I found, which I didn't get. I'll show you guys a picture at the end of this video. But this one is cute. I think it will be cute for the laundry area. It says all kinds of different stuff. And what I really like is that most of the canvas photos that I picked up today have the gold foiling somewhere on the photo. So like the clean is in gold and spin is in gold. I don't know if it's, there it is, kind of picking up. But this will be cute in the laundry area. So I grabbed that one. This one is Dream Big, and it has the gold foil. Really, really pretty. This one is I Am Very Busy. I like this one. I thought this would be cute to put in like your office area, by your computer, or somewhere like that. And I love the gold on it. You guys know I love that gold on there. Then this one is God Gives Me Peace, in gold foiling as well, with the little branches and everything around it. Really cute colors. I'm trying to hurry up. Okay, now this one I love, and you can see the gold foiling in her hat and on her earring and her bracelet and her top. Look at that. Very, very pretty. Her as well. Look at all of that. Look at that. These are so nice. And my favorite, last but not least, look at this. Okay, and it says Girl Boss. And of course, I am loving all of that gold on there. This is super cute. There was only one, so I kind of wanted, I wish there was like a couple of these. I would have picked them up to give in my Poshmark, like for gifts or whatever, or even to send to one of my sisters, but I picked up all of these. This is really random, but I did get these dog bones. I've never seen these. They had another kind, which I didn't get, but this one is 6 braided rawhide, kale and peanut butter flavored dog twist. So I wanted to get these. It says 100% natural rawhide for long-lasting dog chews, and hopefully my dog will like this. You get 4 of them in here, and they are good until July 2022. Okay, you guys, so this has been in Dollar Tree, and it's that stone key hider. It's the little rock that you can put in your front yard, hide a key in there, and you know, it'll be hidden away for, you know, to get in the house. But I was looking at this and I said this will be really funny. Somebody in my family is going to get this in their stocking. So they're going to get, I'm looking at this as a lump of coal. So that's what this is going to be, because I already have one of these that I purchased a long time ago, but I was looking at that like this would be a funny little gift, so I picked that up. And then they had some Chex Mix that I wanted to pick up, so I got the bold flavor because I like those, and I cannot live without the cheddar bag, so I picked up 2 of the cheddar, 1 of the bold. And then I have never seen this brand or flavor of bugles, and I like regular plain bugles, but this one is caramel. It says sweet and salty bugles caramel, and I'm excited to kind of try these and see what they taste like. Okay, and I saved the best for last because you guys, I went sock crazy. And what I was thinking as I was picking these up was, I know I just recently showed you guys some socks that I picked up from Dollar Tree. And so with the chicken, the waffles, all of that other stuff, they had some more. So when I was picking them up, I was like, you know how Oprah used to say, you get a car, you get a car. I was thinking to myself, for my family, for Christmas, everybody gets socks. Everybody, with other things as well, but everybody is going to get some socks. So I picked these up. My daughter is going to love these. She draws wolves and coyotes, and she draws this type of stuff all the time. These are so cute. So you got the wolf or coyote, whatever it is, with the moon in the background, the mountains, and then I love how the top is blue and white like that, and the bottom, the heels is like orange to match the moon. So I picked up those. Then I got these because it's always margarita time or whatever drink it is with the little lemons or oranges or whatever you want to say those are. These are cute. Pick those up. Here is some like bumper cars. You know how, yeah, these are bumper cars. I mean, they're on a track, but they're bumper cars. And I thought these were cute. And I like the top has the red and white stripe up there. These are for me for sure. I love music. I'm a music head, so the musical notes are super cute, and the top is a little bit darker blue. My favorite, which I picked up 2 of because I think one of my sisters is gonna like these, the little avocado guy. Look at him dancing. And then the black and white stripe. I thought these were so cute. I love the colors on here, so I did pick up 2 of the avocados. Here is some tulle socks, which I wish they would have had these out around like Father's Day, or yeah, pretty much Father's Day, but whatever. These are super cute. And the tops have the black and the white stripe up there. And as, what else? All of these are knee-high, or not knee-high. Are they knee-high? They're men's dress socks, so they will go a little bit higher on a woman. But they're not the knee-high socks, but they're still cute. And then this one is like the astrology type socks. You got all of the horoscope signs, and it says written in the stars. Super cute, and I love that green heel on that. And then the last tall one is this one, which I was not going to pass up, and it says don't feed the bears. Super cute. There is not a picture of a bear on here, but I still like them. I like the fire and the tent. Super cute. And then the last 2 pairs of socks was this one with the panda bears, which will be for my daughter, and this is a 2-pack. So you got that one and that one. And then I had to get this one with the cute llamas like that. And then that's the dark blue with the polka dots on it as well. So that is it for today's Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I need to stay out of the Dollar Tree. And as you guys can see, the sun is starting to shift, so it's going to be in my face. And I'm going to go ahead and finish or record this next video real quick so I can be done with this. And yeah, so I hope you guys all have a beautiful weekend because it is Friday. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.